the former EFF provincial chairperson in the province of KwaZulu-Natal, Vusi Khumalo, talks about how he got expelled in the EFF. Let us listen to this.
But let me tell you, you mentioned a very important point to say, abanye bagwazi ukuthumela amabhasi. The question you should ask yourself, bagwazi bayithathapi imali. Let me tell you what happened. EFF was a kingmaker kumasipala because omasipala baphethwe inkatha nokhongoloza. I-ANC mayifuna ukungena ayoguqa kwi-EFF ukuze kuvotelwe imeya ye-ANC. Inkatha mayifuna ukungena ayoguqa kwi-EFF ukuze i-EFF ivote nayo ukuze bathole ukuba umeya baphathe umasipala. Julius was saying